Hey, here we go, it's me Errol back again with another video. Today we're doing laminate floor in Kettering. So without further ado, I'll give you a look at what we're doing and we shall crack on. As you can see, I was in a few days earlier and I poured out some self-leveling compound. What we used here was a one called Level It 2. Tools you need to do this job: hammer, set square, tape measure, pencil, tapping block, jigsaw. And today we're going to put down some wood text underlay and start fitting the laminate floor. Now it's time for the fun part. We're actually going to start fitting some laminate floor now. Now I'm going to start from the fireplace, simply because you can't put any beading around the fireplace. Click a couple boards together, get my straight line, and then we'll work away from the fireplace to the other side of the room. Unfortunate for me, the planks that we're fitting today are too wide to fit into my guillotine, so we'll be reusing the jigsaw like we used to before the guillotine was ever around. So, on we go with the jigsaw. This half a plank that I've just put in is to hold the floor steady as I work on the rest of the floor, otherwise your joints will come apart. It's not until you get about 3 rows in before your floor is kind of stable. Put it in. You'll notice that I run it along on the track. I'm just making sure the track is clear. Then I use my tapping block and make sure it's seated. What I'm doing here is, because we haven't got enough rows in yet, I kneel down on the laminate to help keep it steady and then use the tapping block to tap the next row in. And what I'm doing here is using the tapping block to seat the laminate down to make sure all the gaps are closed. And once you've got a couple rows in, your floor should be a bit more stable and you can start fitting at quite a speed and work your way across the room. As you can see, there's an existing flooring already, so what I'm doing is making sure that my expansion gap is correct. So I leave enough of an expansion gap between the old and the new. I do apologise, from this point onwards the film gets a little bit shaky. I changed the battery on my head camera and I think I turned off the image stabilizer, hence the reason why the picture is a bit shaky. And now that we've got across to the other side of the room, we're going to make a template and template ourselves around the door frame using a cardboard box. I usually use one of the boxes that the flooring is actually come in because it's the correct size. It's usually the size of the floor, obviously, because that's how you get the floor to fit in there. So I use that to make the template, and then I trace that out onto the laminate, cut that out, slot it in, and 9 times out of the 10 we get an instant fit. I say instant, we get a fit. But I think you can still see me making the template and understand exactly what it is we're aiming at. There you go, we're just about done with this one now. If you like these type of videos, check out my playlist. If there are any other type of videos you'd like to see, leave it down in the comments. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.